Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a birdshot photos in the MOTOROLA G73. So at the start, open the camera app, and you don't need to do anything, just hold the finger and the shutter button. Here you can see we took 12 photos. Now if you want to pick the best shots from it, just open it in the gallery and click on this little icon. Open the photo, and now just select your desired one on this little slider. Now, if you have your favorite photo, just click burst and choose one of this option. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.